So student, today we are going to learn how to make 3D nut and bolt. Okay. In 6th standard we learn about how to make a M16 nut. M means metric 16. Okay. ट्रायंगुलर थ्रेड नट जो M16 का है, जिसका डायमीटर, बेसिक डायमीटर, बोर डायमीटर 16 होता है, वो कैसे बनाएंगे. तो नाउ हियर वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न 3D nut bolt. Okay, so this is your 3D nut bolt, boys. Okay, 3D nut bolt, and these are the specification of previous year. D, capital D, across corner, AC, across flat, ऐसे पढ़ा था अपन ने. ये हाइट, नट की हाइट होती है. इसी का इधर ये दिया बोल्ट और ये नट दिया है. ओके, ये देखो, ये इसमें भी स्पेसिफिकेशन, ये तुम्हारा बोल्ट है और ये नट है. तो ये सब पिछले साल पढ़े थे अपन ने कैसे करेंगे करके. बट इन दिस ईयर वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न दी हाउ टू मेक अ 3D. ओके, ये देखो, ये तो ये नट, ये बोल्ट है तुम्हारा और ये नट है. तो इसमें अपन अभी इंटरसेक्ट करके एक कमांड होता है, हाउ टू मेक ए चैम्फर. ओके, तो उसके ऊपर फोकस करने वाला. फॉर दैट वी हैव टू स्विच ओवर दी AutoCAD. So dear student, as we discussed in the slide, we have to make this bolt and nut, suppose. Okay, so this diameter will be 16 and this whole diameter is 16. But for this head diameter we have to take a 32 as a diameter. Okay, 32. So initially we are going to make a head. Okay, for head what I have to do, I will go to the circle and say center radius, suppose, click. So I will specify here radius as a 16, means I will get a total diameter 32. Okay, now go to the extrude, select, enter. Now height will be your 16 height, student, 16. Okay, diameter is 32 and height is 16. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to फिलेट दिस, इसको फिलेट करना है बच्चों, ये कॉर्नर को फिलेट करना है. तो फॉर दैट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, गो टू दी फिलेट इन मॉडिफाई, फिलेट, एंड हियर R for radius, and here you have to specify the value 2 is the radius. Now this box you have to take on the edge. Okay, click and double enter, so it will be filleted. Same radius for the bottom, double enter. Okay, now both edges get filleted. Now what you have to do, go to the polygon, student, polygon, very important, polygon. Okay, and give the number of sides 6, because we have to make a hexagonal bolt. Okay, so 6 number of sides, and center of this hexagon will be center of this cylinder. Click. Okay, and now here you have to specify the radius for the polygon, that will be your 16 student, 16. Okay, now again go to the extrude, very important one, extrude, and click the hexagon carefully. Okay, only hexagon, click, enter, and drag above. This height should be more than this height. Okay, more than 16. So just randomly click. Okay, now what you have to do, here is an important point, student. You have to go to move and move this hexagonal cylinder inside that round cylinder. Okay, this should like this. Okay, it should be like this. Okay, now you have to use the next command, very important and new command to you, solid editing, and we learn union, subtract, but not intersect. So here we are going to use the intersect, student, intersect, very important command, and go to intersect and directly select the job and say enter. So here you can have a chamfered section and it look like a nut. Okay, now for making a rod or making a hole, what you have to do, go to the cylinder and select modeling, go to the cylinder, give the center, and specify the radius 8, because you require a hole of diameter 10 and diameter 16. So this is your rod. Okay, now this system total job you have to copy, student, copy this. Okay, now if you subtract this rod from this So you will get a nut. So for that use a subtract. Main body, enter and subtract the rod. So here is your nut. But for this bolt making, what you have to do? You have to use a union, student, union. And here is your bolt. Now this is bolt and this is nut. For assembly, what you have to do? Move this, enter, select base of this and insert in this center. And now you can move this again. It will look like this. Okay. So this is your nut and bolt. Okay. In 3D.